Ayoko na. Yun naman. Guys, the ate from Shabuga gave me toge. Kasi kanina I saw this toge. Tapos, sabi ko, ate, binibenta niya ba to? Tapos, they're all watching me. Tapos sabi, hindi. So, binigyan na lang ako ni ate. Thank you so much, ate. I'll have to ask you your name. Say hi, guys. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, guys. From Samba to Onitsuka. Hi, guys. I got my shoes delivered. And I'm with Gail. With this angle, pero ayan, you know, I don't have a phone stand or anything, so ayan nga, today is Thursday, and as much as I want to be able to say na okay, 2 more days and I'm officially done for the week, I don't feel like it, because until next week pa yung finals, and I'm so packed for the weekend and until the following week, so parang I don't know what to look forward to be honest, and my to-do list just keeps on piling up. Promise, hindi na talaga siya nakakatuwa. I don't know, I'm just smiling, pero damn! Ayoko na. I know naman, I'm gonna get through it. Okay, kailangan ko lang talaga magreklamo at mag-rant, pero I know I'm gonna get through it. Pero alam niyo, minsan kasi talaga parang pwede ba? I just wanna be put to sleep. And then magising na lang ako once all this is over. Pero ayoko na. Gusto ko lang naman maging nepo baby na may New York apartment. Okay lang. Posh, kaya to. Kaya ko talaga to. Nag-iinarte lang ako, okay? Pero kaya ko to. Yes, kaya mo to kasi wala kang choice. Kailangan mo talagang kayanin. Kasi girl, what else can you do about it? O diba? Ang gulo-gulo na na angle. Sige na, bye. Bye. Say hi, guys. Say hi. How's Japanese?
We're dying.
I'd rather not really.
Yeah, I would rather kill myself than be in the same class
Gins
again.
ka na ba't may mga tawag doon
Okay.
mga aeroplano ngayon na nagdadive ng World War II tapos puro sila Japanese.
Oh, bakit?
Mga nagpapakamatay.
Gets na. Grabe. Alam niyo ba? We just finished our online quiz. And of course, I got 13 over 15. Of course! Hi, PSA. Hi.
How were your questions?
How was the oral exam?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Basic sa kanya.
Cities, mountains, lakes and towns will shrink and disappear. Wanna fly beyond the blue horizon, see the planets and their moons at play, flaring comet.
Lauren, say hi. Hi, Benny.
What's this? This is a photo?
No, it's a video.
It's a video.
Shooting stars will take your breath away. Liftoff's not easy. Have to hold on tight. You might feel.
These guys are from DLSU.
Wait, who's your boyfriend? Who's your boyfriend? Hindi talaga. Jerome.
Jerome and Fonzie.
Yeah.
Okay, the TikTok guys. They're here. They're from
About
DLSU.
to take over enemy territory.
Sabi, get to know your enemies. Good. We were tasked to interview by these people. Dapat ano kami dito? We get clout also. X-deal.
Ano nila to eh? Territory nila to eh.
Yeah, territory.
So, lilo lang kami.
What were you saying kanina?
Yung ano? When arrows fly, eagles die, baby. Be there. Kapongi 128. Kapongi 128, I'll be there. You can post it.
Yun naman. Ako na yung nag-interview. Ikaw naman. Go Karel, yun naman. Wala ka pa eh. Guys, update. That was a very eventful study break. So now we have to get back to studying. And actually lock in.
Where will we go? Go where? Sorry, will we go to the party? When, I don't even know about it.
Ito yung lock in. Lock in. Very lock.
Nasa wilang A.
Kayong dalawa ng nanay mo magsama sa impyerno. Okay lang. Wala naman yung demonyo sa impyerno. Eh, nasan? Andito, naka-pink.
Well, I was just there. Videoan mo siya para mahiya siya. Boy, wala talaga tong hiya.
Serious look. Hindi namin nakita eh. Wow, nonchalant.
Wala talaga tong hiya.
Just staring at me.
Katapos mo ko pagalitan, gumawa ka ng work mo.
I just document.
Akala ko for your vlog for ano?
Ano
For Japanese.
kayo?
여러분. 아니.
Wow.
Tomato. Alam ko eh. Yung sinasabi.
Tomato kudasai!
Bago!
Email or video?
You talk about?
We are on top of the... Sige. Bago! Yung sa Miss World.
We will never be the quiet girls.
Yeah. No!
We can never be nonchalant. Try.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, nonchalant. Show yourself. Ay, pag nonchalant pala, hindi pinapakita.
Kapag di na sa smile.
Oh, may pusa ha. This one will...
Kasang ibon naman.
May pusa.
Wala na agad. Failed na.
Excuse me.
Sige, let's talk to the vlog. Okay guys, so
Okay.
today we're going to JSEC. And what are we gonna do there?
Look for...
I'm gonna post this.
Uy, no. I'm
single.
Pag may jeep yan. Hit me up at Corel Matias.
Yun.
Kami mag-cheer kami.
Yeah.
Go girls.
It's not because of ACADS. Hi guys. I'm going home na. And I look like this. I look like I'm about to sleep na. Because to be honest, gusto ko na matulog. But like, ayan. Look, I have my throw nap pillow pa. So I can say na today is a good day naman. Because I was able to finish my oral exam, my Japanese quiz also, and accomplish 2 outputs. So tomorrow we don't have class, it's study day, pero I'm still gonna go to school kasi nga sa bahay hindi ko kaya maging productive at home. So it's a fun day, it's a fun and productive day. So yes, thanks for coming with me and my friends. Bye. Okay, so today is Friday and Ateneo has no class today because it's study day. Pero I still went to school kasi nga, again, I have to finish stuff, and if nasa bahay ako, hindi ko yun magagawa because I'm probably just gonna sleep. So, ayun. I went here. I actually, hindi lang pala yun yung reason. I actually need to take a missed quiz for my Japanese. So, magkukwes ako today and then the rest of the day, I'm gonna spend it finishing backlogs. And buti na lang, Karil also is here kahit walang pasok. So, I'm gonna be with her. Guys,
They said the test was easy, it was hard.
it was hard. Grabe, na zombie na naman ako.
It's calamansi, no.
Is this calamansi? This one, oh? We're gonna look for Karil. I think this is Karil. It's Karil. Wow, locked in. Wait, I'm shy. Or hi, ganun. No, ba't tayo mag-hi? Hindi ka kayo ganun. The fuck? Ew. Hi guys, life is worth living again. And then we're gonna eat sa Gino's.
Gino's!
It's my first time trying it.
Mukbang tayo later. Let's rate it out of 10. Vlog?
Yes, vlog.
Hi guys, today we have...
It's a good day.
It's a very good day. It's a great day, in fact. But that's why today we're gonna celebrate with some good food. This is margarita pizza.
Margarita.
This is salted egg.
Yeah. We're at